Hello there, guys. This is me. I just want to say hi sa mga friends ko all there in Negros. Si Carla, si Meg Susie, Miss Ice, si Piwi, si Defroj, si Nene, Manghot mga manghot ko sa boarding house, si Jojo. Hello there. Hello sa inyo. Wala lang. I just want to say that I miss all of you. Na-miss kong bonding natin together before, and I'm looking forward to do it again. Wala na, speechless ako, grabe. Super, basta, all I just wanna say is, grabe, sobrang miss ko ka mo. And, grabe ha, si your Ida. No. Basta just always take care, and I know one day, mamet kita liwat, and we will enjoy mga moments natin together. I miss you all, guys, and hope to see you soon. That's all. I love you all. Bye-bye.